Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the palindrome problem using TypeScript. If you are not familiar with TypeScript, don't worry, we will walk through it step by step. What is the problem statement? Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. We have here some examples. 121, if we reverse the word, it will be 1 to 1, so it is a palindrome. Negative numbers are not palindromes, so in this case the output should be false. And 10 is also not a palindrome because if we reverse the number it will become 0 and 1, so it is also not a palindrome. Here we have a function named as its palindrome and it is receiving a number which is x, and it will return a boolean if the number is palindrome or if the number is not a palindrome. Okay. First, we have to check the condition. If number is a negative number, it cannot be a palindrome, so we will return false from the function. First, we will check this condition. If x is less than 0, then return false. Now, let's declare two variables that will keep track of the original and the reverse version of that number. Let reverse is equal to 0. Let original is equal to x. Let reserve is equal to 0 initializes a variable reserve to store the reverse number. Let original is equal to x stores the original value of x before any manipulation. Next, we will declare a for loop that will start a while loop that continues until x becomes 0. Inside this loop, we will reverse the integer. While loop x is not equal to 0. I will declare a constant, c1t constant digit x modulus 10. This lines extract the last digit of x by taking the remainder when dividing by 10. Multiply by 10 and add the digit. This lines reverses the integer x. It multiplies the current value of reverse by 10 to shift digits to the left and adds the extracted digit to the unit place. I hope that is clear. This line divides x by 10. We are rounding that number. The purpose of this line is to extract the last digit of the number, which is our original number. For example, if the number is 121, what this will line do is it will divide this number by 10, and the method flow will do, it will truncate the point part or the decimal part and will return the integer part. I hope that is clear. After the while loop, we will check if the reverse number that we have constructed in this while loop and the original number which we have stored in this variable are equal. If they are equal, it means that the number is a palindrome. If they are not equal, the number is not a palindrome. So this line would returns true if they are palindrome and will return false if they are not palindrome. Return original is equal to reverse. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the program. Okay, so case 1 is accepted and case 2 is accepted. Also case 3 is accepted. All the cases accepted, so we can now finally submit the solution. Our solution is also accepted. That's good. And that's it. With TypeScript, we can easily determine if a number is a palindrome or not. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Happy coding!